money in Texas real estate market. It's based on 21st of February 2025, and it's just an example from my own industry, real estate. You can also write your own industry and ask it. Smarter, faster, and built for entrepreneurs. This is what I understood from Grok 3. In this video, I'll show you why Grok 3 is your secret weapon to save time and earn more. I've tested all major AIs like ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, and Grok, and now Grok 3. And I should confess, Grok 3 has a feature that can help you to grow your business a lot. And today I'll break down with real steps why Grok 3 is the best option for entrepreneurs and businesses. But first, let me tell you why Grok is a standout. There are three important features that make Grok stand out. First, real-time X data. All of you know about X platform, former Twitter. Grok 3 gathering information and data from not only web, but also X platform. Yeah, Gemini and ChatGPT can also do that, but it's not natively and they don't have good access to X platform like Grok. So you can find trends better than other platforms. And then you can use these trends to sell products, create content, and stuff like this. Number two, faster response. I tested all these AIs and a Grok was almost 30% faster than ChatGPT. And number three, business-focused creativity. Grok 3 is built for solving the problems. It's not just a chat. Grok can give you practical business ideas. Grok 3 in different benchmarks in mathematics, in science, and also in coding, it had better performance than ChatGPT, Gemini, or DeepSeek. And also it has very interesting feature named Big Brain. Big Brain refers to an advanced reasoning mode. AI can think deeper. It's not just gathering information from the internet. It gathers information, it think about it, it refine the information and give them to you. Also DeepSeek and ChatGPT has the same, but for Grok 3 is completely different and wonderful. So based on that, Grok can think out of the box better than the others. So stick around, I will show you how to use Grok exactly. Grok, coming here, first one, from x.ai. Actually, it's ready for the people who has a premium account of X, but it gives you some free demo for a while with a limitation. Like, look at this. Smartest Grok 2, Grok 1, and enable search. So this is deep search and this is Think. So what now is, let me show you some practical examples that entrepreneurs can use this wonderful chatbot. Alright, I'm coming here and write, hey Grok, I'm gonna ask an example in my own industry, real estate. Hey Grok, what are people talking about or saying about real estate industry in, like, for example, in Texas this week, X Twitter platform. Let's go. 6 posts, 25 web pages, and this is wonderful. It's based on 21st of February 2025, and it's high cost and affordability concern and market activity and regional differences. It's specifically for Texas. I don't know if you're living somewhere else and you do have another business. You can just write like this. Supply and pricing issue in Austin, build to rent trends and controversial development practices. This is wonderful, man. Based on what people are talking about. 6 posts and 20 web pages. Whoa. Alright, so now let me do this. So as I said before, set a role for AI. So consider yourself as an expert in real estate marketing and answer to my question. So how can I earn more money in Texas real estate market right now based on what people are talking about and the main concern for these days. And check this out. Just look at this amazing tool. It's thinking, look, it's thinking. Supply, price, investing, build, It's thinking, damn, it's like human. Look. Whoa, it's wonderful. It's wonderful. And it's gonna give me a strategy that I can use. You can ask also more details about this situation. All right. Whoa, wow. So check this out. It gave me like 8, 9, 10 tips that I can sell more and earn more money. This is why I'm saying that this is wonderful for business. You can do it for your own business in your own area. It's like, okay, emerging markets. You can also ask this chatbot to explain each of them more and more. Like explain first one, explain second one, and earning potential, capitalize on build, how you can, I don't know, build properties to rent them, explore, force. Oh my goodness. This is awesome. Look, leverage tool like Zillow, Redfine, or local MLS data. Build a strong local network. I told you, you can ask in details with every single one, each of them. It's just an example from my own industry, real estate. You can also write your own industry and ask it. So then with this method, you can find gap in your industry and get rich easier than you think. So you can do the same with, I don't know, content creation. You can ask about like what people are talking about currently on X and what is trend right now. And then you can ask, write script for me about this specific trend. This is wonderful. And as I said, it's because searching x.com information is very well trusted. It's not about some people creating content for getting view. It's just only people opinion on x.com. And yeah, it also can recognize what people said on the comments for specific to it. Yeah, wonderful. So let me show you another example about this. Like, for example, so I wanna target lawyers in Texas. So I'm gonna show you an example for content creation. So base what people thinking, what people are talking about, what's actually not normal people, what lawyers are talking about buying properties in Texas, in X, in Twitter. Lawyers are talking about buying properties in Texas, in Twitter, and the internet write me script for an Instagram Reels. Write me like engaging script for Instagram Reels that specifically is for lawyers, so I can sell property and houses to them. So let's go. Look. Look at here. Here's engaging Instagram Reels script tailored on target lawyers in Texas based on current buzz around real estate from X and border online discussions. And it tells you how you can like exactly create that content. Opening scene, upbeat music, you're standing in front of a sleek Texas home or courthouse vibe. Think legal meets Lone Star. And it gives you the script. And it can also show you how you can manage the exact moving, filming, like editing even. How you can add your editing. And yeah, it's wonderful. And it also explains you why this works for lawyers. These are the reasons that this content and this reels will work for lawyers. And this is awesome. Man, this is awesome. You cannot find anything like this anywhere. Wow. So it was examples from my own business. For example, if you want to sell something in Shopify or Amazon, or your business is about, I don't know, Amazon FBA, you're selling something on Etsy, on Craigslist, or on eBay, you can use this one. Like, for example, you can write, what is the current product trend? Like, you're selling, I don't know, accessories for mobile phones. You can just write, what is the current trend on X platform and what people are talking about accessories specifically for, I don't know, iPhone. Or you can write like this: I have a online store, I have a, I don't know, a website, and I wanna sell mobile accessories specifically for girls in, I don't know, in London. You can just ask this AI what people are thinking about, what people are talking about mobile accessories, and what is the current trend for mobile accessories, cases, covers, AirPods, and stuff like this. And or even you are software developer or game developer, you can write it here what people are thinking about and talking about new game, and you can, I don't know, build another software and put it on, I don't know, App Store or Google Play. So it was very interesting for me, Grok 3. And tell me on comments which AI you use more than the others. And if you don't know how to get rich with AI, I suggest you watch this video about how exactly you can earn money with AI while others struggle. And if this video was informative, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more AI hacks in business.